The terrifying sounds of space. Sound is a phenomenon in which vibrations in the air travel as waves. Therefore, humans cannot hear sounds in space, where there is no air. However, strictly speaking, space is not a perfect vacuum, but is filled with a thin gas. Furthermore, celestial bodies also emit various electromagnetic waves. The sounds you are about to hear are electromagnetic waves recorded by the probe in space and converted into frequencies that humans can hear. Sun. Mercury. Venus. Earth. Mars. Jupiter. Saturn. Uranus. Neptune. Which sound do you like?